What if I told you that everything you hate about editing, tedious masking, complex color grading, building videos from scratch is now obsolete? What if you could go from this with just 3 clicks? You're not dreaming. This is the power of AI in CapCut Pro. Today, we're killing the green screen, retouching portraits like a magazine editor, generating entire videos from a single sentence, and creating effects that used to take hours. No theory, all action. Let's do this fast. Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of spending hours on tedious tasks and want results that look like they came from a major studio, you're in the right place. This is episode 8, and we are unlocking the full potential of CapCut Pro's AI toolkit. This is for everyone from beginners who want to look professional instantly to advanced users who want to speed up their workflow by 10x. Buckle up. We start now. Part 1. The AI Green Screen Killer Background Remover. First up, the tool that will change how you shoot forever. You see this clip? No green screen, no special lighting. Let's fix it. With the clip selected, go to the inspector panel on the right, click on Video, then Remove Background. You'll see a few options, but the magic is right here, Remove Background. This is a pro feature marked with the little diamond. Watch what happens when I click it. Bam, done. The AI analyzes every single frame and perfectly masks the person. Now, let's put this to use. I'll drag a new background video like this clean beach onto the track below my clip. Instantly, I'm in a new location. Want something more dynamic? No problem. Let's use this animated abstract background instead. This is why this is better than a green screen. You have infinite possibilities. Here's a pro trick most beginners miss. The cutout can look a little stuck on. To blend it better, select your cutout clip, go to Effects, Greater Than Lens, and add a glow effect. Keep it super subtle, around 5 to 10 intensity. See that? It creates a soft edge that fools the eye and makes the composite look way more natural. Part 2. AI Face Enhance Pro Retouching in seconds. Next up, let's talk about portraits. A harsh camera can be unflattering. The AI Enhance tools fix this, but the key is subtlety. With your clip selected, go back to the inspector panel. Right next to Basic, you'll find the Retouch tab. Click it. Welcome to your digital makeup artist. Let's start with face. First, I'll turn on Smooth. Don't crank this to 100 unless you want to look like a plastic doll. A value around 20 to 30 is usually perfect. It just softens the skin without removing texture. Next, Brighten. This is amazing for lifting shadows under the eyes. Again, a little goes a long way. Let's try 15. And finally, Whiten Teeth. Just a touch, maybe 20. The difference is night and day, but it still looks like a real person. Want to apply this exact look to multiple clips in your video? Once you have your settings dialed in, scroll up and click Save as preset. Give it a name like My Talking Head Look. Now, for any other clip, you can just go to Enhance, Greater Than Presets and apply that look with one click. Huge time saver. Part 3. The AI Content Machine Script to Video and Captions. This next one is going to blow your mind. It's for anyone who needs to create content fast. In the main CapCut window, click on Script to Video. This tool literally builds a video for you. I'm going to type a simple script. Ethiopia is a country of stunning landscapes, ancient history, and vibrant culture. From the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela to the bustling markets of Addis Ababa, it's a journey you'll never forget. Now, I can choose a voiceover voice. Let's go with energetic Melita ... and click Generate Video. CapCut's AI is now analyzing my script, finding royalty-free stock footage to match my keywords, generating the AI voiceover, and putting it all together on a timeline.
Ethiopia is a country of stunning landscapes, ancient history, and vibrant culture.
Look at this. It found clips for landscapes, churches, markets. It's a complete, ready-to-go video. And of course, every clip is fully editable. If I don't like this one shot, I can just delete it and replace it with my own. This is the ultimate tool for creating B-roll or social media ads in seconds. But what about captioning the videos we edit ourselves? The AI for that is just as powerful. Back in my main project, I'll go to Text Auto Captions. I'll select my language and style, and click Create. And just like that, I have dynamic, engaging captions that are proven to keep viewers watching longer.
Ethiopia is a country of stunning landscapes, ancient history, and vibrant culture.
Part 4. Pro Portrait Effects with AI Cutout. Let's combine our knowledge for a seriously professional effect you see all the time. I want the person in this clip to be in full color, but the background to be black and white. Here's the trick. First, duplicate your clip. Hold Alt or Option and drag the clip upwards to create an identical copy on the track above. Now, select the bottom clip. Go to Adjustments and drag the saturation slider all the way down to -50. Our background is now black and white. Easy part's over. Now, select the top clip, the one that's still in color. Go to Video, remove Background, Auto Cutout. And there it is. Because the top layer only contains the person, it reveals the desaturated clip underneath. This gives you an incredible, high-end look that focuses all the attention on your subject. You can do this with a blur effect, a color tint, anything. It's an incredibly powerful technique. Alright, you've seen the individual tools, but the real magic is the workflow. How fast can we create a professional talking headshot from a raw file? Let's time it. Ready, go. Step 1. Select the clip. Video, greater than remove background, auto cutout. Click background is gone. Step 2. Drag my studio background underneath. Drag and drop done. Step 3. Select the main clip again. Retouch, greater than presets, my talking head look. Click face is retouched. Step 4. Text auto captions, create. Click captions are generated. Stop. Look at that. Under a minute. We went from a raw file shot in a messy room to a fully retouched, professional-looking clip with a new background and captions. That is the power of an AI workflow. It's not just about cool features. It's about giving you back your most valuable asset, your time. Alright, that was a ton of information, but you crushed it. Let's do a rapid-fire recap of what you just mastered. You learned how to use AI Auto Cutout to remove any background without a green screen, giving you total creative freedom. You learned how to use the AI Enhance tool to subtly and professionally retouch faces for that perfect, polished look. You learned how to use the AI Script video tool to generate entire videos from scratch, and auto captions to make your content more engaging. And finally, you learned how to combine these tools to create professional portrait effects that make your subject pop. You now have the skills to produce videos that look like they took a team of editors days to create. If these AI tools just blew your mind and this video helped you, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It tells YouTube I'm doing something right. Now I have a question for you. Which one of these AI tools is going to save you the most time? Let me know in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious to see what helps you all the most. And of course, if you want to keep leveling up your editing game, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single episode. Up next, I highly recommend you check out episode 7, Advanced Color Grading, and let's to learn how to make the colors in your videos truly cinematic. You can click on it right here. Thanks for watching. Now go create something incredible. I'll see you in the next one.